Hi, welcome again, traders from TradeWiz. Very good morning, September 3rd. I made a short entry here in Bank Nifty 36,600 P at 132. Stop loss will keep it at R3. 20 rupees less. I've kept a stop loss at 112. We'll take a good target here till R1. So we also saw the momentum being lost after market making the peaks, and these are the two red candles that got formed after the momentum loss. We could see a good reversal here. Otherwise, also we have a very small stop loss, 20 rupees. Low risk trade. So the momentum has been losing, like after the market making the peaks, and also the 37,000 mark, right? So it's reached 37,000 mark. So it has already tested R2 once. So we'll wait. Also the probability, so we are only looking at the probability, and I cannot be arrogant or stuck with this view that like, okay, this is what is going to happen in the market, because next moment what is going to happen nobody knows. So it may hit the stop loss. I'm also okay with that. Any result is okay. I'm not attached to it. We'll wait. So far so good. Okay, it has made a small wick below. Most of my job is done, like where the trade is, I'm already in the trade, so it's like already in the war, so I have to either win or lose. So, and there is nothing to win or lose here also. Okay, very good. So it has made upper wick. What I'm looking is the R2 being broken now this time. Then it would be piercing. If this candle pierces, that would be great. And we also want to like not to get tensed, like just because we have taken a trade, or like just because we are in a, we will be alert but not with tension and anxiety. More of it will be to observe whatever is there and take quick actions. Very good. One more red candle got formed. Like the some of the trades that I take is like risky, right? So it is I'm risking my capital. but like with a bigger reward. So very good, the red candle here. So breaking the low of 10 o'clock low. And the advantage of taking the risky trades is that like you are since we are in options, we are starting at a very low price. If you see here, my brain completely says that I should not be taking the trade. So, but the technical says that okay, there is a formation, then there is a momentum loss. Then I go for what is it that technicals is saying. First, so if I be very confident on myself, I will not listen to what technicals is saying. So don't be confident. It is contrary to what other people say, but confidence ruins your trades. Or whatever meaning you have about the confidence, definition you have about confidence is to bring in the belief on this technicals. Hmm. Okay, so it has formed a lower wick. And it may go anyway, so doesn't matter. Okay. Almost coming to the 37,000 level. Okay, very good. So, like, it's like a wall, like the all these strong resistance and supports. So the market high like pounds like a hammer. So first time it may not break, it will not be able to break. Second time it may not be able to break, but third time the wall will be weak and it will be able to pierce through that walls, that is resistance and support here. Okay, very good red candle. Almost at the end of this candle now, so it has been a good formation, not formed any lower wicks here, bigger lower wicks. Okay, very good. Should cross R2. Okay, no. So the gap, whenever the gaps are formed, you see the gap up, it opened, right? So it will come and fill that gap. So market will ensure the gaps are taken care. Okay, so how it reacted with R2 and this 37,000 is also important. So okay, very good, making a upper wick here. And don't touch the trade unless, don't touch the stop loss unless you are near your targets, modifying the targets. Very good upper wick here. So again going back, so if it breaks this R2, then it will be, or if it is engulfing to the this candle, so the previous candle, then it will be reversing. Otherwise, we are okay. So okay, forming even big green candle here. 145 is what currently PE is. Let's say we still have 2 plus minutes on this one. If it closes above the previous one, then it might be a reversal pattern, as well as it will be, we'll see. Okay, forming a upper wick here. Fantastic upper wick. So the last minute, if this happens, like after 4 minutes, spending 4 minutes, if last minute this happens, it's very good. Okay, let it cross R2. Wow. Trying to, okay, so very good. Oh, wow. It opened gap down so many points. Like, what's happening here? The market has jumped to 210. Let me load it. Wow, there is a gap down. I'm going to extend my this one here, the target. I still can't believe this big gap down. We have already gotten our target. Let me extend this target here. Okay, it has been more than 190. And you see the gap also got filled in no time. I'm gonna extend the target here. 36,800. More than being greedy, it is utilizing the momentum of the market here. Gap downs are bulk orders. Okay, so people think indices will move the option price. No, the options is where the orders are executed, which moves the indices. It's opposite. Okay, very good red candle being formed here. Also, you should notice how the RSI has come down, right? It was in over bought position. We could also consider pivot, but hopefully this closes below R1. Almost at the end of the this 10:30 candle, and it has made upper wick, so it is a good indication. It's not like it bounced back or reversed back. So crossing the 37,000 has been breaching it, has been a false breakout of 37 towards upper side, buy side. We'll wait. So if it, I don't know if it crosses 36,800 or 36. The only thing is here it should not form again two green candles. That is one thing I'm worried about. That would be a another reversal. Okay, very good. In 5 minutes, having seen this much gap is a big thing. Okay, there must be a huge order like towards sell side. Okay, formed a very good week. Let's look at the R1 being broken now. Still three more 2+ minutes. Will not go beyond this. Will not go to pivot and all. So we'll if we get our target, even if the low of the previous candle is broken, then it should be our target. That is what we are looking. Yesterday I received some of the feedback from people that I've been exiting early, but doesn't matter. The decision made is what I own up. That means I'm completely responsible for the decisions I make and I'm satisfied about it. And when you are that, see, different people want different things from us, but the only this one analysis is only after looking chart, right? When the trading session is complete. But what in the moment when when the market is live, how what is the or reaction, or what is that response that we are going to have towards how the market is what is going to bring us the profit and losses. Fantastic upper wick, almost at the end of the candle here. 10:35. Okay, very good. And thank you for giving the feedbacks. Okay, R1 is also broken now. No green candle did not form, so yeah, we are wait for this one to break our previous to previous low. Okay, it has closed below R1. That is fantastic. Very rare to get. Okay, so the low is also broken. No. Okay, let's see how it reacts. Not broken it. Forming a lower wick. Very near to our target. So when it opens and moves towards the closer, the length of the candle matters, right? But when it has a upper wick, okay, very good, fantastic move here, awesome. Okay, I'm at the edge of the seat here to exit any time. Almost touch the target. Okay, great. I'm gonna make an exit here.